In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to check recently deleted apps on iPhone. If you accidentally deleted an app or want to see what apps were recently removed, iPhone gives you multiple ways to find and reinstall deleted apps easily. First method, check App Store purchase history. Just go to your App Store, tap on your profile photo, tap on purchase history, or if you downloaded or deleted a free app, then go to apps. Tap on My Apps, and here select Not on this iPhone. And this list shows all apps you have downloaded before and are not currently installed on your device. The most recently deleted apps appear at the top of this list. And if you wish to reinstall any uninstalled app, just tap on this download icon and the specific app will be reinstalled. Even paid apps can be re-downloaded for free if you purchased them with the same Apple ID. Thanks for watching.